At midnight, your body is supposed to be doing something extraordinary. Not working, not scrolling, not reacting to notifications, not staring into a glowing rectangle. It is supposed to be repairing itself, deep inside your cells. Thousands of microscopic processes begin to shift into night mode. Damaged proteins are cleared. DNA repair systems become more active. Inflammation is regulated. Hormones follow their quiet rhythm. The brain begins sorting memories. The immune system recalibrates. And the body prepares for another day of survival. But then, a bright screen lights up your face. Blue-white glare enters your eyes. Your brain receives a message it was never designed to receive at midnight. The message is simple. It is daytime. And that single false signal can change the chemistry of your night. This is the hidden problem with artificial light. It can confuse the biological clock that controls sleep, hormones, metabolism, immunity, and cellular repair. For most of human history, night was dark. After sunset, the brightest thing most people saw was fire. Fire is warm, dim, and rich in orange and red wavelengths. It does not strongly imitate daylight, but modern life is different. We live inside glowing environments, phones, laptops, televisions, streetlights. The modern night is no longer dark. It is illuminated, and our biology is still trying to understand what happened. Your circadian rhythm is your internal 24-hour clock. It tells your body when to feel awake, sleep, digest, and repair. But there is a master clock in the brain, the suprachiasmatic nucleus. This master clock uses light as its main signal. When they detect bright blue light, they tell the brain it is daytime. During the day, this increases alertness. At night, the body expects darkness to allow melatonin to rise. Melatonin is a darkness hormone involved in cellular repair. Imagine a factory. During the day, machines are active. At night, maintenance crews arrive to repair and remove waste. Now imagine someone turns on the emergency lights at midnight. The repair is delayed. That is what artificial glare does. Every day, your DNA is exposed to damage. The body corrects this during specific circadian windows. Disrupting sleep loses that repair window. Autophagy, or self-feeding, is where cells recycle damaged parts. When nights become shorter and brighter, these restoration signals weaken. Conflicting signals from light at night leave your cells confused. Is it time to be active or time to repair? The modern night often creates a loop. Late light delays sleep, making mornings harder, leading to more caffeine and more evening screens. Light is information, and midnight light says stay alert. This affects metabolism, hunger hormones, and insulin sensitivity. Psychologically, the screen provides stimulation. Dopamine keeps you scrolling when you should be downshifting. The goal is to restore contrast. Bright days, dark nights. In the morning, get natural light early, 2 hours before bed. Begin lowering light, dim LEDs, use warmer lamps, and make screens boring. Protect your bedroom. Consistency helps synchronize your system. Your cells like rhythm. Sleep is not a weakness. It is when you are rebuilt. Tonight, dim the lights. Move the phone away. Let melatonin rise. Let repair begin in that darkness. Your cells remember what to do. They clean, they repair, they restore. Protect the rhythm that keeps you alive.